In this video, I'll show you how to set deposit limits using the Sportsbet app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe inside. Now let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Sportsbet app as you normally would. Then you'll be brought to the home section here of Sportsbet. So navigate to the bottom and click on where it says more, bottom right hand corner of the screen here. And then under my account, look for deposit limit. Click into that. And here you go. So at the moment, I've got a current deposit limit of $5 and a restriction period of 24 hours. And it also gives you the remaining max limit of the day, and you can increase limit after the 5th of September. So what that means, if I change my limit to say, I'll do it now. So if I want to set a deposit limit, so new deposit limit, if I set this say at $50, and then under restriction period, so you can change this too. So at the moment I've got 24 hours, I can change it for 7 days, 14 days. So if I want to change it to 7 days, I can select that as well, and then go ahead and click on save limit, and then it'll give you this little pop-up to confirm. So your update will take effect after the 7-day cooling off period. You will then be able to deposit up to $50 every 7 days. You can increase your deposit limit 7 days after your deposit limit commences. So I want to click confirm here. And as it states here, this change will take effect after the 7-day cooling off period. So after 7 days, my deposit limit will become $50.